Don't eat me.
Bad Dobby.
Bad Dobby. Go eat me.
Huh?
Eat me. Spit me out.
Hey, hi, how you doing? Hi. Oh, did I do that? Oh, let me just get out my cellar and call a wrecker. Oh, wait, I'm a pothole.
You're what?
I don't have no phone. Haven't you seen that video?
What?
Where car drives over a pothole and she's like, did I do that? Oh, shoot. It's okay. Let me just get out my phone and call a wrecker. And she's a pothole. And she's like, wait, I don't have no phone. I'm just a pothole.
Mm.
Who's ready for a great night at Hooters?
Hooters.
$10
Wait, my boobs
all
look
night
good.
long. We get jokes all night long.
Is it fun to work there?
I would hate to work there.
I would hate to.
Is it fun to go there?
Oh, I'm liking this. I like this. I bought myself my own Bandu bra.